Hi guys, welcome back. This is Maths 3000. Today I'm going to show you how to use the SD key to convert an answer from a fraction into a decimal. So the SD key is located on the fourth row down on the scientific keys, so it's this one here. So say if you had to work out a calculation such as 85 divided by 4. So if we type that in, press equal. So if you notice, the first answer we get is the answer as a fraction. It's come out as an improper fraction. So if you need to get that as a decimal, we just press the SD key and it will convert it into a decimal answer. So let's do one more example then. So this time let's work out 319 divided by 8. So 319 divided by 8 equals, so again we've got a fraction answer. So to get it as a decimal answer, we press the SD key, so we get 39.875. So thanks for watching guys, see you next time.